Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 7 quiz assignment of programming data structures and algorithms using Python course. So friends, before that I want to show you something. So here guys, I am planning to prepare examination NPTEL examination completely syllabus oriented preparation MCQs for as this is programming subject, so I will give both MCQs and also programs for just 89 rupees only. You can get both practice MCQs and also programs. And the other thing is that not only this subject, and also you can get here, if you see, you can get all the subjects, not only single subject. For that 89 rupees pack you can get all videos, all course videos. So I think you hope you will use this opportunity. So for that, just go to our channel page. It will be like this. So click on join button. This is just to the side of subscribe button. So click on join, and there will be 3 packs available. Select 89 rupees pack or 119 pack. In 119 pack you may get the live stream also. If I upload any live videos, you can get access to that. But if you want only recorded videos, just go to 89 per month pack, click on join. After that, a payment page is available. After making payment through UPI or debit card, you will successfully complete this payment and you will become member of our channel. So guys, you can try this in your mobile first. After that, you can try in your laptop or PC. So if you want these NPTEL preparation videos for the subject, you can join in the membership like what I have shown before. So hope you use this opportunity to the great extent and get better prepared for your final exam. Friends, I will provide you the MCQs, practice MCQs, and also the programmatic questions. Both questions I will give, and I will mark you the correct options for that. After that, you can test yourself after seeing these videos. So just for 89 rupees only. So let's get into the assignment now. Guys, if you have any doubts regarding this membership, you can ask me in the comment section. So let's see the questions now. So this is week 7 quiz assignment. So let's see the first question. Given the following permutation of A to Z, so what is the previous permutation in lexicographic, that means dictionary order, that means uh, in alphabetical order? So write your answer without any blank spaces between the letters. So the answer for this I will type, guys, you can follow with me. I will zoom this for you. So I'm going to type, you can type with me. Z H A D B F J I E and finally C. So this is the final one, G H A D B F J I E C. So hope now it will be clear. So this is the first question solution. So let's see the second question now. So second one, we want to add a function listmin to the class node that implements user defined list such that listmin computes the minimum value in a list of values of type integer type. So an incomplete implementation of listmin gives below. So they have given the incomplete code. So you placed in the given options, and in place of triple P what should be there, and similarly in place of the triple C what should be there. So for second question, if you place in place of triple A, you should place none, and in place of triple B you should place self dot value. Self is the given parameter here, right? Next one, in place of triple C you should place this one. So min having two parameters here. So finally the answer will be third option. So mark third option as the correct answer for second question. And moving on to the third one, suppose we add this function FOO to the class tree. Tree is the name of the class, FOO is the function. So that's why we have written with keyword def, right? So that implements search trees. For a name my tree, suppose there is a tree called my tree with a value of type tree, what would mytree.foo compute? So for third question, the probable solution is fourth option, the number of root to leaf paths in the tree. So mark fourth option. And moving on to the final question of the assignment, that is fourth question. The post order traversal of a binary search tree with integer values produces the following sequence: 22, 38, like this until 45. What is the value of the left child of the root of the tree? So for this question, so for fourth question, what is the value of the left child of root of the tree? So the probable solution is option B, 28. So friends, these are the solutions for week 7 assignment. Hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this to your friends. So as I said before, so you can join in our membership for just 89 rupees only, and you can get access to all these courses, not only single course. You can get access to all the course videos. I think it will be helpful for you in attempting the final NPTEL exam and give your best. So guys, for just 89 rupees you can get practice MCQs as well as the programmatic questions. I hope it will be very much helpful for the final exam preparation before you give the actual exam. So hope you use this opportunity, and guys, please recommend this to your friends also, so that everyone can join and get the good practice. So that's it guys. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you. If you have any doubts regarding this, please ask me in the comment section.